Today we will discuss about the letter writing, which is actually the creative writing in English grammar. In creative writing, letter writing is included paragraph writing, essay writing and dialogue writing. So today our discussion topic is letter writing. Now question arises, what is a letter writing? Letter writing is a written communication from one person to another. Now we will discuss various purposes of the letter writing. The basic purpose of letter writing is actually to share and convey information. Request for some task. Letter writing can be serve the purpose of advice or suggestion. We write a letter to discuss some important problem and its solution. Reporting of an important issue is also included in letter writing. Now let us discuss the types of letter. Basically, there are two types of letter, formal letter and informal letter. Now let's see what is a formal letter. Formal letter is actually an official letter, or you can say business letter. It is written to manager, principal or higher authority such as president or some newspaper committee, some newspaper editor. Specific pattern and orderly language is followed in formal letter. As the name indicates formal, it means we must be formal while writing the formal letter. Formal letters, now we will discuss about the informal letters. Informal letters are actually the personal letter. It is written to friends and family. We use specific pattern and casual language in the informal letter. Now let us discuss the format of formal and informal letter. And it's very important that there is a separate pattern to write the formal letter and separate pattern to write the informal letter. And it's very important to know about the both the formats. Now first of all, let us discuss the format of the formal letter. First of all, we will just write the sender address. Sender address is actually the person who is writing a letter. After that, we will put a date, then the name of the recipient and the designation, then the company name. That can be the company name also. If you are writing some newspaper, you will write the newspaper name. If you are writing a letter to some bank, you will write the bank name. After that, the address. If you are writing a letter to the bank, you will write the address of the bank. If you are writing the letter to the principal, you will write the school address. If to any organization, then you will mention the organization address. Then we have salutation, which is actually the greeting. We can just say respected sir, respected ma'am, respected principal. Then the subject. Subject is actually in one or two lines. We will just describe the purpose of writing a letter. Then we have the body, which is consisted of 2 to 3 paragraphs, which is actually the reason of writing a letter. In the last, there is the ending. Now with the example, I have tried to explain you about the formal letter. Write a letter to your school principal regarding cleanliness in your school. So first of all, we will write our own address as I am the sender. So I will just write my address. After the address, I will just put a date. After the date, we will just write the recipient as I am writing the letter to the principal. Then the address as I am writing the letter to the principal. So I will write the school address, Dominican Convent High Secondary School. Then the address of the school, Model Town A, Bahawalpur. Then salutation, or you can say greeting, as I am writing to the principal. So we call our principal respected sister. The subject or the main issue is issue of cleanliness and its solution. Body, issues regarding cleanliness and what are the ways to get rid of this problem. Then we have the ending, yours sincerely and my, then your name, and at the last the signature. Keep in mind that you should be formal while writing the formal letter. Then we have the informal letter. Format of informal letter writing is sender address, date, salutation, body, and in the last we will put the ending. Now with the example, I have tried to explain you about the format of informal letter writing. First of all, write a letter to your friend, invite her to your house. So first of all, I have wrote my own address. house number 45, block C, and Bahawalpur. Then the date, and after the salutation or the greeting, as this is an informal letter, so I have started with Dear Anam. Then the body, in the body I will just give her invitation and share my plans at what we will do when she will come to my home. Then in the last ending, your lovely friend, or you can just write yours sincerely, and in the last, the name. That's all about the formal and informal letter, and I hope you have just understood